Hi Legate viewers, and welcome back to another episode of our series of stunning properties. Today I am with Catherine.
Hello.
In the Gard, the south of France, and where are we exactly?
Alors, hello viewers. Here we are exactly located between the Camargue and the Cévennes. We're halfway between the sea and the mountains. So it's a very special location where you can find one of the best wines in France.
I confirm.
The wines from the Languedoc-Roussillon. And this is actually an old 18th century wine grower's house. So before here you had only vineyards around. And it was bought by different people during the 18th century. Everyone built a house around, but this particular house kept all the charm since more than 200 years.
Yes, most of the original elements that are important, I think, into this house are original. I mean, all the main features you would expect from an 18th century house have been preserved. The decoration is second to none. We'll see that in a minute, but let's speak about the outside. So we have the main house here. It's behind the camera. And what is it here? So we have the garden, this lovely flat garden, enclosed, so total privacy.
Yes, no one can see you. There is no vis-a-vis, as we say in French. And here was an old dependency of the wine grower's house. And they made a lovely living room out of it with a nice fireplace. It's a very, very elegant but simple, and this is how we could characterize this place. Very, very elegant and simple at the same time.
Yes, and the colors, the beams, I mean, it's really sober, I would say. I'm not sure it's the right term, but it's
sober.
Sober,
could say
probably. The design is really elegant, as you said, and I love the fact that you have this shaded area, this little lounge on the right side, all those lovely flowers, this olive tree, which is absolutely a landmark of the Gard.
Very nice water,
the pool.
Pool to refresh yourself. Now we're in May, and actually we could take a bath.
I would. I mean, I love the color that they made. It's a really beautiful gray looking with a light blue looking swimming pool, super elegant, and I think it really matches the facade of this building.
Yes.
And you don't suspect from the street, you don't suspect that this house has such a nice garden in the back of it. As you can see, blue sky, really nice sunny day, 300 days of sun here, a year.
A region where you barely have any rain.
Yeah.
We have some rain in April, but that's it. It's enough. In April and November, I would say.
Which is good.
It's a very, very
rain.
nice village where you can find a market once a week. You can go to the great city of Montpellier or Nîmes, the beautiful Roman town. Nîmes is around 15 kilometers from here,
it's
really close. And Montpellier, I would say 30 by the Autobahn, 20 minutes.
You have two airports there.
Yes, two airports.
TGV.
You have a TGV train station.
Fast train.
Yes.
To Paris, to all destinations.
It takes you 2 hours and a half to reach Paris now from Montpellier.
So easy access by car, easy access by plane, international access, worldwide access.
Yes.
TGV to go to Paris or anywhere in France. Location is ideal, really ideal. You've got the climate, you've got the gastronomy, you've got all those perch villages.
The sea.
I forgot.
Cyril. The sea is at 15 minutes away from here.
Okay.
So you can take a bath in 15 minutes.
Great. Yeah, you could be in the mountain in the morning and at the beach in the afternoon.
The location
on the
is
same
really
day.
beautiful.
Yes, that's really, I'm under the charm. You've got Uzès, which is absolutely gorgeous as well.
So many things to see.
A lot of beautiful villages. I mean, you can spend months exploring the area. I just did spend 2 days already here, and I have to say already 100% sure I'm going to come back this summer for like 1 week of holiday, I tell you.
And yes, and
straight
you can
away.
visit me again because I
will.
live here. I've been living in this area 10 minutes away from here since 15 years now, and I just love it. I wouldn't change for any reason.
And
I wouldn't
you have a
move.
beautiful house, I have to say. I've been there.
Yes.
So, yes, the outside is absolutely gorgeous. You have no neighbors, though we are right in the middle of the village because of this enclosed courtyard.
Very
lovely,
calm.
really quiet, lovely pool. These lovely outbuildings that also host a lovely bedroom and a shower room.
Yes, it's a private apartment. Independent that you could even rent during the summer.
Easily. Yes, or just to host your friends.
Receive friends.
I could imagine a big party here with all those spots, this, and that place. I mean, that's ideal for a holiday home as well.
Oh, yes.
I mean, that would be the perfect holiday home in the holiday
and very
home.
safe place, safe area, I would say.
Yes. So we've spoken about this beautiful garden and outbuildings, but let's talk about the house itself. Tell me more.
Alors,
what have we got on the ground?
As we said, we have a surface of 420 square meters, which is really, really big, massive, and all the rooms are big. You have a lot of space. They are high. You have high ceilings, and all the ancient material from the 18th century has been kept.
I have to say, it's a total crush for me.
Yes.
I mean, instantly.
For me too.
I went through that corridor with carreau ciment, the tiles.
Yes, Simon tiles.
Oh my God! And then
of multiple colors. They were handmade, and they are the original tiles.
The charm is second to none. Really, instantly you can. That's the sort of properties you fall in love instantly with. I mean, you can only you watch that and like, oh, I want it. Honestly, I don't know if it's clear in the video, but it's absolutely clear here. If you come for a viewing, I can guarantee you will be under the charm as well.
And I hope you will come. And what is really nice is that all the windows, there are many windows and doors, open doors giving towards the garden, so wherever you are, you're in contact with the garden.
Yes, the views from each room is like
really nice.
a postcard, really. It's what you could expect from a house of that size, of that charm, in that location. It's probably one of the best houses I've seen so far in this year. It's probably in my top 3
and I'm very happy to have mandated this house. I'm very, very happy.
Yeah.
I'm sure it will find
someone who has the heart.
Yes, because it's a house that you buy with your heart. You literally fall in love with this house.
I'm already under the charm since like the first second I entered the place, and then I came to that garden and I was like, oh my God, that's such a gem. That's such a gem. Okay, there's also a large kitchen here that leads to the garden.
Yes, so you can live inside out, basically, which is also really nice. And the kitchen has remained the same. They have renovated a little bit, but it's really like an old-looking kitchen.
Yes.
And then
really convenient, huh? Really functional.
Yes, very. You have everything in it. Everything you could expect to have in a kitchen. And you also have a nice dining room behind. So they are both connected. So you have the terrace, the garden, the terrace, the kitchen, and the dining room.
I'm telling you, you won't barely use that dining room a lot because the kitchen directly communicates on that lovely garden terrace, and I'm pretty sure you would.
In February, you can eat outside already here.
Voilà, that's an area where you can eat in winter outside. So
when
I would say
the
fact that those rooms, the lounge, the kitchen, this barn that has been converted, they all communicate with the central courtyard.
Everything is connected.
Exactly. So the circulation is absolutely beautiful here. it's natural. It flows like you can go from
Yeah.
there to there to there. Everything flows really naturally. I think it's really an inviting house.
Yes, you can spend the day going from one place to the other and never be bored or
Every
always
single angle is
amazed
beautiful.
with what you're going to see.
The light is beautiful, inside, outside. Okay, now that you've visited with us this lovely and charming property, outside, inside, what do our viewers need to do if they want to view it?
Well, very simple. You can leave a note in the comments at the end of the description of this video. You can also find a form that you can fill out
On our website.
On our website. You can contact me and I'll be very happy to make you visit this wonderful house in the south of France. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.